Hey there, happy day 1190 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting my journey as I transition from the offline brick and mortar world of business, corporate world of business, to the online world of business. I'm back like today. The sun is finally shining. I'm traveling. So I want to talk a little bit about change today. Finished up the 7th 30-day Get Up and Go challenge yesterday, the 30-plus day Get Up and Go challenge. It was the 7th one that I've done since COVID hit last April, when we really started to get locked down and shut down. Did the first 30-day Get Up and Go challenge, and then did it again in June, July, a longer version of 45-plus day challenge. Then again in August, October, December, February of this year, and then we just finished up the April into May 1st, the 7th version of the Get Up and Go challenge. And I always feel a little at a loss when I'm not doing the Get Up and Go challenge. It's been about every other month. Usually in the in-between time, I do another daily piece that supplements that activity, that I guess endeavor. But I'm not right now because I'm traveling actually down in Texas, and it's challenging to do videos anyway when I'm traveling and on the road. So it's especially challenging this time of year. And so instead of doing anything over the next 2 weeks, I will not be doing anything with respect to the Get Up and Go challenge. I'll just be leaving it open. We'll take questions and answers. I'll collect those all up. And then when I get back home, we'll go ahead and we'll do a live question and answer session to make sure that everybody gets their questions answered as part of that challenge. And so nobody feels like they're just missing a piece of information, or they missed something, or they're struggling with something that they need some more examples and want some help with. I'm doing our 365-day challenge to do one thing every day that centers you. So I'll continue to do that while I'm on the road, because it's easy to do. It's a little book. I carry it with me, and I can do it just about anywhere. It's an under a minute activity, but it wakes my voice up in the morning. The reason I do that video was originally to, number one, overcome the fear of doing videos, but number two, to get my voice going in the morning, because I tend to do my videos early in the morning. Not today so much, but most days. And my voice is still kind of sleepy and froggy. So today was day 122. It's the 122nd day of 2021. And it was just about the importance of imagination and how much we appreciate our imagination and things we like to imagine about. We all like to imagine about certain things. Our Supersize Your Business idiom today was small talk, which is an interesting topic. Communication is an area of emphasis for me personally this year. Communication confidence, the Get Up and Go challenge, and coaching with a couple of different individuals to improve certain areas and aspects of my life and my business. And so as I talk about those throughout the course of this year, I'll summarize things in this segment. But today was about small talk. Now, some people love small talk, me not so much. I'm not a huge small talker, and I think COVID-19 has probably really negatively impacted a lot of people's social ability and social skills with respect to conversations and small talk and just interacting with one another. So it'll be interesting to see going forward it's fun to be in Texas because you don't have to wear masks everywhere, which is really different than home in Wisconsin, and I'm actually thoroughly enjoying it. But I think people's ability to have conversations and small talk conversations and start relationships has definitely been impacted by the recent changes in our social structure. And so it'll be interesting going forward to see how that plays out with people. Lost track of what I was thinking. That happens, obviously. So small talk for Supersize Your Business. Get Up and Go challenge is done for at least a month, and we'll see where that goes next. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with that next, but that's just what I'm working on, what I've got going today. Very brief, very quick summary. Again, on the road, it's different than when I'm at home and I've got a specific topic that I want to talk about every day. Today is just go out, enjoy the sunshine. The sun, it's been raining here for 3 days straight, and Texas doesn't usually have that much rain, so it's been interesting to see it just be pouring for 3 days. But the sun's shining, so we're going to get out and enjoy the sun. I encourage you to do the same. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow.